Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how I designed beautiful Northern Lights French macarons. The meringue method I used to make these French macarons is the Italian meringue method. After I made the macaron batter, I split it into 3 parts and added food coloring. And then I put each of the parts into piping bags and piped it on top of the plastic wrap. Then I wrapped it into a roll and then put it in another piping bag before piping it on top of a baking mat. Then I let the macarons sit on a counter for about 30 minutes before baking them in a preheated convection oven. You can definitely use other colors to make this swirl-like design. So have you seen the Northern Lights before? I haven't seen it yet and I would really love to see it one day. I heard Iceland is a great place to see it. I hope that you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.